Hello friends, my name is Visheshwar Gaba. I am a Sujok healer. I am sharing this video with all of you in this time because Corona is spread all around and there are very simple tips to do self-treatment, self-healing so that in the early stages itself, one can control this viral infection and there's less of strain on the resources in the hospitals and everybody stays with family safe and fine. So I will first share a few slides on Sujok therapy developed by Professor Park Jae-woo. You can see in the background behind me is Professor Park Jae-woo, who invented this Sujok healing system, healing science. He found out that God has made our hands for this purpose of self-healing, and when we stimulate certain points on our hands, stimulation with some pain, we have to cause some pain when we stimulate so that the pain reaches the brain and the brain puts that organ or the system into harmonized state. So I will now first share some slides with you to show you where our organs of immune system, organs of chest, and organs of chest means lungs and heart are located. First, I will share the organs of neck and thoracic cavity. You can see in the picture, in the upper joint of the thumb, there is nose, there are eyes, there are lips, and there is the head. And below that, the next part of the throat is there, where our larynx is there, trachea is there. So you can see in the picture the tonsils, the larynx, the left lung, the right lung, and the heart. And the nose is over there. So when we have headache in the nose, headache over the nose means the sinus is in problem. The viral infection may be going to sinus. So we'll stimulate this area. This is the frontal sinus. So once we stimulate this area, by causing some pain with some pen or something, anything at home, whatever you can find, even with a matchstick. Once we take a matchstick and we'll apply on our hand on this portion over here, we'll feel some pain. If some pain is there, we should stimulate it more so that the pain reaches the brain center, and brain center signals the immune system to take care of this problem. We have, when we check the upper joint of the thumb, we'll find the tonsils are over here. And if the pain is there, it means tonsils are working, but they are more inflamed and they need some respite. They need to be taken care of. Then we have the larynx. Then we have the left lung, we have the right lung, we have the heart. I will come to the explanation further also. Now let me show you some other slide. Here are our kidneys. So you can see that kidneys, the location of kidneys on both the hands, between the first two fingers and the last two fingers over there, the kidneys are there with the adrenal glands upon them. Now I'm going to show the part of the liver, the part of the spleen. If you will see the right hand, the liver is very clear, spleen is very clear over there. And if you see the left hand, the liver is over here, very clean. Very clear organ location is there on the left hand, for the liver, on the right hand for the spleen. These are very important points to activate the immune system. Now, I'm coming back. I'll show you now on the hand model. Once you feel some itching in the throat, some sensation of itching, pain, difficulty in swallowing, take a matchstick. Check the points over here. Check the point over here. Check this portion. Wherever there is pain, slightly stimulate more and apply black color or blue color. Or with an adhesive tape, one can apply black paper over there. Here is our nose. So in such cases, we have to activate the nose also. So once we will activate the nose, massage it. We can apply one buckwheat seed over there or one white pepper seed over there. It will help. Just above the nose, there are our eyes, and here is the frontal sinus. So once we will massage here, stimulate here, causing a bit of pain. The pain goes to the brain. Brain will tell the immune system to clear the sinus area. So we can again apply blue color here to remove the infection over there. Our first line of defense against any viral disease is our tonsils. Our tonsils there are 4 tonsils in our body: palatine, lingual, pharyngeal, and tubal. Tubal is behind the pharyngeal. So from this auditory nerves linking the nose nerves with the ear, here is our pharyngeal tonsils, both sides. So in the hand, it will come over here. So if there's some infection over there, the pain will be felt over here. Just it's going with the nose over here. So once with the nose over here, you'll find some pain over here. Check the pain and apply the blue color or the black pepper seed. Check on both sides. Check on the tonsils. Then you can check on the larynx, center over there. Check it. Pain is there. Apply blue color and apply black pepper seed. Check the trachea. Trachea, you will have some pain over here. Check over here. Larynx over here. Tonsils over here. Nose over there. Frontal sinus over there. So once you are checking this, you are building up immunity of the first line defense of our respiratory and the heart system, circulatory system. So even without going to the doctor, you can take care of it. Take a pen or pencil. You can even massage over here, apply blue color, apply paper, apply this adhesive tape with the black paper. Let the seeds remain there for 3 to 4 hours. Our body is very intelligent. It has a very intelligent system. Our cells function in a very intelligent manner. They know how to work. But when, due to some reasons, our immunity is weak because of the wrong foods, wrong lifestyle, preserved foods, processed foods, they weaken our immunity. During this crisis, during this period of crisis, when there is a lot of phobia or fear about the viral disease of the COVID-19, please abstain from processed foods and preserved food as far as possible. Take as much fruits and as much vegetables, fresh vegetables as possible, because they are full of vitamin A, vitamin C, and various enzymes that are needed by the immune system for its immunity. Similarly, I have shown you earlier in my this presentation video that where are our kidneys and adrenal glands. Our kidneys control our bones, and our bones make the bone marrow, which is the basic ingredient of our immune system. So when we will massage this portion, basically we are massaging our kidneys. Even by massaging over here, we are massaging the kidneys. The kidneys original color is black color. So if there is some pain and you have any symptoms of weakness, fatigue, tiredness, feeling that your body is not able to apply black color over here, it will strengthen the kidneys. Once kidneys are strengthened, filtration process will be fine and bones will become proper and bone marrow will be giving all the more immune cells to the body. We have another a few more important immune organs. One is thymus, spleen, liver. They also work in the immune system. So our thymus is located just over here. So with anything, stimulate and apply the green color. So once you will apply the green color over here, or even if you apply some moong seeds over here, our body will absorb the energy of an entire moong plant into our thymus organ. And thymus organ, even at a stage when it is very least functional in the old age, it will start working like a new engine. Then we have liver. I had explained that on the left hand, we can work for the liver and spleen. But to be better to work in a small area, on the small finger, this side you will check the painful point, massage and apply one moong seed. This area also you check one painful point and apply moong seed. So basically when you work on these 2 points, there is also a system which God has given where through which we can activate our liver and spleen. This side and this side. So we are working both on the liver and spleen. Now coming to lungs. If you feel that there's difficulty in breathing, massage this area, very small area, half of this, half of on the other side. With a, first you can check the painful points. Once you find the painful points, there you stimulate more. Wherever you find pain, stimulate more. Once you will stimulate more, stimulate till the pain slightly becomes unbearable. Then it goes, a signal goes to the brain, and brain starts functioning properly to tell the whole body immune system that help is needed in this organ. Because this part is reflecting the pain or the stagnation in the lungs. Due to some reason, the message has not reached the brain. That why it has not reached the brain, I'm answering that question also. Sometimes the infection may travel to the brain itself through our tonsils or the sinus. And then it reaches brainstem, and in the brainstem there is a rhomboid brain. In rhomboid brain there is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is the control center for the heart and lungs. If the virus reaches over there, it weakens that area. Once the brain center is control center becomes weak, it cannot direct the immune system in the body to help the lungs and the heart. So at that moment, first priority should be to check just behind the nail over here, the painful point, and massage. Stimulate it so that this area, blood supply increases in this area. Once blood supply is restored properly, fresh immune cells reach there, they will be able to control the viral infection reaching in that area. Macrophages will be active. lymphocytes will be active, antigen presenting cells will be active, and they will help to clear all the infection from the medulla oblongata. Once medulla oblongata is fine, cleared of all the infection, then it can control direct clearance of the infection from the chest and the lungs. Now, I had explained there that once we find out the painful points, we can apply buckwheat seeds or the white pepper seeds on a tape and affix over there, and then go on pressing after every 1 or 2 hours. Let the seeds remain there for 4, 6, 8, 12 hours, even overnight. This will help. This is a self-help treatment. Please ensure that you take sunlight. There's no constipation. You eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Take coconut water. Take in the morning a cup of, or even a glass of warm water, warm herbal water. A concoction of kitchen herbs, tulsi, pudina, ilachi, saunf, dalchini, boiled for 5-10 minutes with some lemon drops. So build up your immunity by eating fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, and by activating on your hands. You can do the self-treatment, self-healing, and stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.